Hi, my name is Abby Case, and I am an occupational therapy LEND trainee at the University of South Dakota. LEND has taught me so much this past year. My most memorable experience with LEND this year was getting to spend time with my real life experience family. This allowed me to see a glimpse into the life of a family that has a child with a disability. I spent the year attending dance practices, baseball games, basketball tournaments, and even a talent show. All these experiences provided me with the knowledge about resources for families and also remind me how important it is to advocate for inclusivity, as all children deserve to play, learn, and participate in daily occupations. I'm so thankful for the LEND program and all it has offered me this past year.
Hi, my name is Jaren Thomas, and I'm the Speech Language Pathology trainee. Being part of LEND has helped me to grow professionally and personally. I got the opportunity to gain skills and knowledge from trainees and discipline heads who share the same passion as I do. The most memorable part for me were the weekly FAM classes where we discussed a wide range of topics that make us think beyond a healthcare professional. I'm so grateful that I got to be a part of this program that has helped me see myself as a potential leader in the healthcare world. I wish all the best to the future trainees. You will learn so much.
My name is Kaylee, and I was one of the occupational therapy LEND trainees for this year. I'm very grateful for all the opportunities that LEND has given me, but some of my most memorable experiences were at the additional clinics I had the opportunity to attend. Some of these clinics were the NICU follow up clinic, the neuromuscular clinic, the autism clinic, and many others. I feel like these clinics really gave me an opportunity to learn more, especially about being a part of an interdisciplinary team. There's a lot of professions that I hadn't been able to observe before, so that was a really great learning opportunity. Some advice for future trainees would just be to take in all the different experiences. I would encourage you to sign up for as many clinics as you can, get a wide variety of experiences. Your year is going to fly by fast.
My name is Kylie Moran. I'm a second year physical therapy student at USD and a first year LEND trainee. LEND has been a once in a lifetime experience. I've learned so much that will help me in my future practice as a physical therapist. Something that I have learned from LEND that will stick with me is that as health professionals, we have the opportunity to help our patients and clients in ways more than just what our discipline has to offer. Through LEND, I have learned how important interdisciplinary care is and how I can aid in providing that interdisciplinary care that our patients deserve.
Hi, my name is Abby Myers. I'm a second year physical therapy student at USD. The most memorable experience that Len has given to me was my real life family. They opened their hearts and welcomed me into their home. Not only have I attended their doctor's appointments and therapy sessions, but I have also been able to grow lasting relationships. Through this family, I have learned what life entails when having a child with a disability.
My name is Andy Holmes, and I'm a medical student. From the perspective of a future physician, daily routine challenges that our patients face are often not discussed because they're tackled by other care providers. However, through the LEND Fellowship and the relationship I formed with my real life family, I was able to observe different therapeutic interventions from providers that truly enhance the lives of our patients. These interventions often make all the difference for them in improving their everyday quality of life, and that is what I think we ultimately want as medical providers, to help our patients live their best, healthiest life. Going forward, I will always appreciate the importance of holistic, interdisciplinary care to the patient and their family.
My name is Gracie, and I am currently a second year school psychology student as well as a LEND trainee. This year, throughout LEND, I've had numerous opportunities to participate in hands on learning in clinic settings that entailed working with clients as well as working with the other LEND disciplines. This has taught me so much about the perspectives of other disciplines and given me knowledge that I will leverage in the upcoming years. This year has been truly impactful, and my advice to future LEND trainees would be to take advantage of as many of the leadership opportunities as possible. These didactic trainings will, in no doubt, make you a better practitioner. LEND has been a truly memorable experience that I am thankful to have been a part of.
Hi, my name is Emily Brunsma, and I am a second year occupational therapy student. By participating in the LEND program this past year, I have had so many valuable experiences and gained so many skills that have helped me to grow both personally and professionally. My most memorable experience from the LEND program was participating in the various clinics, especially our monthly LEND developmental clinic. Through these clinics, I've learned the true value of interprofessional care and how much of an impact that this care can have on the individuals receiving services. I've loved getting to see how the professionals from different disciplines can work together and collaborate to provide the best possible care to the patients they're seeing. I am so thankful for the South Dakota LEND program and I am so excited to incorporate the skills and knowledge I've learned through it into my future OT practice.
My name is Morgan Maples. I'm a second-year clinical psychology student, and one of the most memorable experiences during my LEND experience was hanging out with and getting to know my real-life experience family. I was able to witness firsthand the challenges that they faced every day, but also the incredible strength and resilience that they had as a family. It was really inspiring to see how they came together to support each other and advocate for their child's needs. And it reminded me of why I got into my field in the first place. And it was a powerful reminder of the importance of patient-centered care. It's definitely an experience I will never forget.
One thing I learned from LEND is how to advocate at the legislative level, and this is something I will take with me no matter what type of doctor I end up being in the future.
Tell future LEND trainees to not be afraid of or feel out of place at clinics that are outside of their typical area of expertise or area of study. Through clinics for different medical conditions and disabilities that I previously knew next to nothing about, I learned so much about them, as well as how professionals work together in a team to best care for and support these individuals as well as their families. LEND was a priceless experience that will forever change my advocacy, leadership, and practice now and in the future.
Hello, my name is Jeremy Sanford, and I'm the social work LEND trainee. There were so many aspects to the LEND experience. For me, that's what made LEND really an amazing opportunity. Our evening classes included topics that were challenging both professionally and personally, and really required a level of self-reflection that one doesn't often find within an academic setting. I enjoyed the clinical experiences that LEND had to offer, as they really gave me a firsthand account of what it means to work within a real multidisciplinary team setting. And last but not least, I'm really grateful for the friendships that I was able to establish with my fellow trainees over the course of the year. So thank you, LEND, for a truly extraordinary experience.
Hi, my name is Kat Baker. I'm a speech-language pathology trainee, and one thing that LEND taught me that will stick with me forever is the power of volunteering. LEND is all about going out, being active, and improving on your leadership skills, because there's always something to learn, whether it's about yourself or the community that you're working in. Take every opportunity that's provided. There will be quite a few, and have a wonderful year. Have a fun year. It'll go by so fast. Good luck, everyone.
Hi, I'm Allie Stephenson, and I was the nutrition trainee in LEND this past year. LEND has been such an amazing opportunity for me to open many doors that will support me for the future. Learning about and working with an interdisciplinary team has given me the knowledge that I am going to need to be successful as a future dietitian. Some advice that I would give a future LEND trainee is to just take in every opportunity that you're given and always say yes. The year absolutely flies by, so just enjoy every part of LEND.
I'm Marley Jones. I was a medical trainee this last year. I am so grateful to have been a part of the LEND program. It was a great opportunity to grow as a future healthcare professional, and I also had the chance to work with some really amazing people that I wouldn't have had the chance to work with otherwise. Something I would tell future LEND trainees is to just take advantage of all that LEND has to offer, say yes to new opportunities, and really engage yourself in this valuable experience. I can tell you the year flies by, so take in every moment and be ready to make some really great friends along the way.
Hi, my name is Katie Tobin. I'm a speech-language pathology LEND trainee. LEND has been an amazing experience, and I've gained valuable insights and knowledge through the various interprofessional experiences. The developmental clinics and the autism clinics have been one of my favorite things about going through LEND and have provided me with hands-on experience in evaluating and working with individuals with communication difficulties, as well as working collaboratively with other professionals. The peer legislative trip was another favorite of mine and gave me the opportunity to learn more about the legislative process and how policies are made in relation to healthcare. The trip was also a great bonding experience for our group and allowed us to all get to know one another better, and is one of my favorite memories from being in LEND.
Hi, I'm Jacinda. I was an audiology trainee with the LEND program, and there are so many reasons why I have loved participating in LEND. It has been such an enriching opportunity for me. Being a part of an interdisciplinary team has allowed me to gain a more well-rounded understanding of the challenges that individuals with disabilities face, as well as the different approaches that can be taken to support them. LEND has opened so many doors and opportunities for me over this last year, from being able to go to AUCD in Washington, D.C., to attending different seminars and trainings that the Center for Disabilities has put on. I truly believe that I have become a more empathetic and effective clinician with working with individuals with disabilities throughout this past year. LEND has also been able to open the door for some lasting connections that I have made throughout this program with other trainees, and I'm hoping to be able to continue supporting each other through professional development, as well as continuing these connections throughout our career.
Hi, my name is Cole Edwards. I'm one of the medicine trainees. My favorite LEND experience was going to the Capitol and seeing how we could advocate for patients by participating in government.
Amy, a genetic counseling trainee. Coming into LEND, I was very excited about learning what other healthcare professionals do and how that connects with my field. And I've definitely been able to learn that from my classmates, from LEND discipline heads, and from the clinics that I've observed. And I feel like I have a better sense of what happens before and after I see a patient in genetics. So both in the medical world and then also at home. I think it's been very eye-opening to me, and it will allow me to do my job better and advocate for patients and their families. LEND has prepared me for working in the field as a pediatric genetic counselor, and if it wasn't for LEND, I don't think I would have the same experience, so for that I'm grateful.
Hi, my name is Ellen Knowles. I'm a clinical psychology LEND trainee. My most memorable experience from LEND this year was definitely the peer legislative trip. It was not only a great opportunity to learn about how to advocate better for our clients and the populations we serve at a policy level, but it was also a great opportunity for our cohort to bond and spend some time together outside of the classroom. I'm also grateful for LEND as a whole because it's really inspired my career trajectory, and now because of LEND, I plan to work on an interdisciplinary team after I graduate. I'm super excited for all of the opportunities that this experience has provided me, and I would encourage all future LEND trainees to take advantage of every opportunity that comes from their experience in LEND.
I'm Sherry Buckles, and I'm this year's parent trainee for the LEND program. One of my favorite parts of the LEND program was the monthly developmental clinics. It was so encouraging to see everyone collaborating to provide an extensive interdisciplinary evaluation for the child and their family. Because of LEND, my knowledge of the resources available to individuals with disabilities and their families has greatly expanded. I would encourage future parent trainees to take advantage of this opportunity, as I have grown as a parent and a professional because of LEND.
My name is Kylie Hammond, and I'm one of this year's audiology trainees. The most memorable experience was attending the developmental clinics and watching the interdisciplinary team work together. This allowed me to see the importance of working together as a team and learn about the other disciplines as well. I look forward to using this throughout my education and in my future career. I am grateful for the opportunity to be a LEND trainee this year.
Hello, my name is Kylie Donnelly, and I am an occupational therapy student at USD. And I had the privilege of being a part of this year's LEND cohort. This past year was incredible, and I'm so grateful for all the amazing opportunities we had, the lessons I got to learn, and the people I got to network with. I loved all of our clinics. I especially enjoyed our monthly LEND clinic that we did as a team. I think we grew a lot individually and as a whole cohort from the time we started in September and April. So I look forward to hearing about the progress that all of you make by being a part of LEND and how it helps you grow as a professional and become more prepared to be helping families in our area.
Hi, I'm Spencer Halk. I've been involved in a program called LEND here at the Disabilities Center here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. The main thing that I want to talk about today is what I would tell future LEND trainees going into this program. I think the most important thing is to work as a team. You may not communicate with this individual well, but just come in with a can-do attitude and always have that smile on your face.